quarantine is hereby imposed in the entire of Metro Manila.
Millions of Filipino families experience hunger as the Philippines grapple with the COVID-19 pandemic.
Magkasama tayo, itutuloy ang Pasko. Wala nang regalo, ang hiling ko, sana'y laging masaya tayo. Nandito tayong dumaramay, handang tumulong at magbigay upang bumuti at sumayang ating buhay. Nandyan at abot kamay, tayo'y maging liwanag ng Pasko. Tulong-tulong tayo, tayo'y liwanag, ikaw at ako, tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. Tayo'y maging liwanag ng Pasko. Tulong-tulong tayo, tayo'y liwanag, ikaw at ako, tuloy pa rin ang Pasko.
Dear friends and neighbors, I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year, and also good health, and please stay safe while enjoying this holiday. God bless us all.
Merry Christmas from Team Margaret!